This is Nina with Seattle Findings, and today I'm going to introduce the soldering kit. This kit includes soldering made simple, easy techniques for the kitchen table jeweler, a tripod with mesh screen, a microtorch, a third hand, a magnesia soldering block, handy flux, Sparix pickle, copper tongs for the pickle, a brush for applying flux, cutters, tweezers, a soldering pick, and 1 foot each of easy, medium, and hard soldering wire. This is what we are going to be making today, a simple charm bracelet. We are going to be soldering a jump ring to the heart-shaped charm, and more jump rings to the lobster clasp and chain.